Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Ada fi wahid Pakistani sadiq wa sawi musada ada syukul makina huwa fi malum dahin syuk hada wa syukulina compressor syuk hada makina huwa sawi sallah. Fi wahid nafar Salman sawa-sawa syukulina kullu. Imran, Padino, Umar, Bingkindahin Mapi. Ada makina. Ada Tamanin Bar. अच्छा है भाई
अच्छा है
अच्छा हो गया बहुत शुक्रिया हो गया मोर ओके रिमूव
तो दूसरी दो
is now removing the valve. I will go this side so that I can take a good video now. Bye, tell your name. What is your name?
My name is Salman Liaquat.
Bye, your name?
Imran Shafiq.
Inshallah, this video shoot to in Pakistan. Kulo family, kulo jamaah. Enta shoot to ada itina par alhamdulillah mia wa sawi musada na syukul na sawi sala makina. Shukran. Thank you so much. This not only one machine, this two machine. Same capacity, 80 bar. See, if these two guys will not help me, I'm alone doing this job. See, this is the main motor, drive motor. Extension pipe. Yes. Okay, remove the valve. Remove the valve. Okay, this is the pusher valve. Okay, give to Imran. Then remove the valve. Yes, that is the valve. Discharge valve, stage 4. We have two discharge valve. Then two suction valve on the bottom. So this machine is controlling by optimizer. We have an optimizer. Then here the PLC controller. But now we are doing some work in mechanical, so we switch off the power for the safety purposes. Guy, thank you so much for helping me. Then also I told him to subscribe my channel. They are not Filipino, they are Pakistan, but they subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Alhamdulillah.